What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2018 BMW 430i open and started if the key fob dies. Like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2018 430i in this video, but it'll be the same on several different years. So in this scenario, the vehicle's locked and our key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we'll use that emergency key to unlock the driver's door. After you unlock it, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw that emergency key back in your fob, just so we don't lose it. Now, as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm is we're going to get in and turn the vehicle on, turn the ignition to the on position. How we're going to do that with a dead key fob is we're going to hold it against the right-hand side of the steering column and then press the stop-start button. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm's going to be going off. All right, let's go ahead. So get in, you see the key icon there, go ahead and hold that there like that, and press the stop start button. Once the alarm's off, if you need to actually start the vehicle, then you'll press the brake in, hold it in that same spot, and then press the stop start button and it'll actually start it. So that's it. And then you'll just need to change the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.